Logical connectors sequence. Logical connectors are used to join or connect two ideas that have a particular relationship. You use connectors of sequence to show the order in which things happen. Now, for give you a better explanation, we want to show you a little story. Hello, I'm Mary. I'm a business administrator. I have two children and a husband who I love. I work hard every day because I love what I do.
When she arrived at home, first of all, she made the dinner, but today she forgot an important, very important thing, the dinner. She had to buy fish and vegetables. First, Mary has to run to the supermarket. Second, she buys all she needs. Then she runs to her home again. Finally, she cooked the dinner, and it was the best dinner ever. Thank you,
and we hope you could understand.
Created using Powtoon.